Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to teach you present continuous tense. In last lecture I taught you present indefinite tense. If you want to know about what is present indefinite tense, then watch my previous video. Now present continuous tense is used for action happening now. For example, I am eating food. For example, I am going to school. And the second point is future planned action, means that action that we have performed tomorrow. For example, I am going to Lahore tomorrow. I am going to Bazaar tomorrow. Understand? The method of making simple sentences of present continuous tense is the first thing we always use am with I. We use with singular pronoun he, she, it or any singular name. We use all these with is, and are is used with plural pronoun. Once again, am is used with I, are is used with plural pronoun. For example, we, they, are any plural name, and is used with only singular pronoun. For example, he, she, it or any singular name. The formula is we use subject plus am or is according to the pronoun plus verb plus ing and plus object. Now we use this formula in sentences. First sentence is I am going to office. We use am with I and put ing with verb. Now second sentence is she is making tea. We use is with she and make and put ing with form of verb. Third sentence is it is raining outside. We use is with singular pronoun and put ing with the form of verb. Second last sentence is they are playing football. We use are with plural pronoun and put ing with form of verb or helping verb. Last one sentence is I am leaving this city. We use am with I and put ing with main verb. Understand? Or verb. Now move towards the method of negative sentences of present continuous tense. The method is same, but we have only put not after is or am. Understand? And the whole method is same. We use is with singular pronoun or any singular name. We use are with plural pronoun or any plural name, and we use am with only I. Now move towards its sentences. Ali is not flying the kites. I am not telling a lie. Stars are not shining. We are not making a noise. They are not listening to the radio. The method is same. We use only not after helping verb. Understand? Now look at the formula of interrogative sentences of present continuous tense. The method is we put first of all write helping verb, then subject, then main verb plus object. For example, we am, is and I. Is or am is draw out from the whole sentence. It write firstly before the subject, and after subject we use verb plus ing plus object. Now move towards its sentences. The sentences are is he reading the newspaper? Is she watching TV? Is the sun rising? Are you helping her? Are you feeling cold? In all these sentences we see that we draw out helping verb and put it before subject, and after subject we put verb plus ing, and after this we put object. Now move towards interrogative and negative sentences of present continuous tense. The method of interrogative and negative sentences of present continuous tense is here The first thing is helping verb. plus subject plus not plus main verb plus ing plus object. The method is same like as interrogative sentences. The only difference is that we put not after the subject. The method is same, helping verb plus subject plus not plus main verb plus ing plus subject. We draw out helping verb is or am and put it before the subject, and after subject we use not plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Here you remember that we use is with singular pronoun or any singular name, and we use am with only I, and we use are with plural pronouns. The sentences of interrogative and negative sentences is here. The first sentence is, are they not playing together? Are you not earning money? Is she not riding a bike? Is Hassan not teaching in university? I'm not speaking English. The main thing is we put helping verb before the subject. After subject we use not, then comma verb plus ing and plus object. I hope you will understand present continuous tense. If you will understand, then kindly like my video and subscribe my channel and give comments about this video. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.